Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with some primer. So I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish. So I'm running out. So I washed my face, my hands are clean. Like always, I don't really know what to do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my good old LA Girl color corrector. I noticed that without this, literally like it's a game, this is just a game changer. I skipped it one day in my makeup routine one time and immediately could see the difference with or without it. So a color corrector, if you have dark circles, I highly recommend color corrector. I'm having some skin acne problems lately. Until like literally last year or 2 years ago. So just recently, my skin has been acting up like this. Let it dry. I notice when right away I start to blend it and I don't give it some time to dry or settle on the skin, it comes off more on the applicator when I'm blending it. So I let it dry for a while, for like maybe a minute or a couple seconds, whatever. Not completely dried or else it just won't blend at all. But then I could see more coverage on it because it's just not gonna slip away. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation to my face. So I ran out of my Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay. This is a really good foundation. The 24-hour Maybelline Super Stay is a plus for me. I really like this one. And it lasts for hella long. Like, it just lasted me until now. I've been having it for a couple months. So I have the Wet n Wild Concealer Cruelty Free. This one is really good, really affordable. I like it. It's pretty good. I mean, I have dark, deep circles. It doesn't smooth out my under eyes. Mines are kind of deep and you can see just the deepness of them. This covers up the dark circles under my eyes. I'm gonna take the time to go ahead and contour as well. So in a minute here, I'll tell you what I'm using. Meanwhile, I like to do my eyebrows while that dries. I have here the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color taupe. Okay, and so there goes my eyebrows. As soon as I am done blending out the my contour, concealer, I want to go ahead and clean up the eyebrows as well. I noticed I didn't put any contour on my nose. That's all right. Okay, and since I don't have any Lock-It setting powder, because I ran out of my Kat Von D one, and by the way, I highly recommend that setting powder to anyone. I'm gonna grab my Naked palette from Urban Decay, and because I don't have my setting powder, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow right here, and it is called Pregame. I'm gonna take a swirl of the brush. I want to keep the excess on there because I have, you know, so I'm just gonna pat it. All I'm doing, guys, is just patting. So you want to go ahead and just smooth out all the creases that you have. So this is a great alternative to my setting powder. And if you don't have this palette, I would recommend just using a plain nude eyeshadow. I am using Extra Bitter. It's an orange, like a burnt orange color. That's what I like to describe it as. I am putting it along my brow bone. First, I'm patting it on there. Then I'm slowly just swirling it around. Backwards. Bring it down a little bit. Front, backwards. Bringing it down. So I'm gonna grab the a smaller fluffy brush. So in the brown colors, it's going to be this one. I want to add it to the outer corner of my eye. So patting motions. So I'm gonna grab this brush, it's a little pencil brush. I'm gonna grab the same brown. I'll put it on my crease. So at this point, I'm doing gentle swipes so you don't see like little skips in the color, but you could just tell that you swiped your eyeshadow and you missed some spots. Then we're gonna go back and blend that out afterwards. And if you miss some spots when you're applying this eyeshadow to the crease, go ahead and dab it in, fill in those spots like this. Dab it in. I am going to get the color Nudie, and I'm going to pack that on my actual lid. Love this color. And I'm just packing it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a winged liner to this. There goes that. What I like to do, because it just completes, you know, the look, I put some eyeliner at the top waterline so there's no white open areas. Then eyeliner there at the main waterline, and grab Lockout. So I'm grabbing Lockout, the brown color that I put here in the outer corner of my eye. So right now I'm sort of just patting that over the black. Grab your blender brush. I'm gonna go ahead and add this highlight to my brow bone and to my cheeks. So this is Nomad Illuminated Highlighting Powder. I really like this one. It's like super shiny, you can see, and I really like a good highlighted brow bone. don't like to look too shiny. Gotta go ahead and add some blush, then mascara, then lipstick. My Master Contour by Maybelline. So this. I really like this blush because it is not at all too rosy, nothing. It is like a perfect blend of just pink. I'm gonna add some Sephora lip butter. So this is a Sephora lip butter. If you guys ever come across it, buy it. I recommend it. I've been having it for a long time and I love it. I'm almost out, sadly, and it seems that online they don't have it. Not that, I mean, I looked and not at the time, I guess they didn't have it, but there was 2 times where they didn't have it online. Next, I'm going to grab the Too Faced Melted Matte. So the Melted Matte in the color Hot Buttered Rum by Too Faced. Next, I'm going to grab Sugar Cookie. All right, so there goes the look, and let's just set it with some setting spray. So this is a new setting spray by Maybelline, Master by Face Studio, Wear Boosting Setting Spray, locks in makeup, long lasting finish. Let's go ahead and spray our face and we're all done, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed being here with me. So I'll catch you in the next one. Give me some ideas. So I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment, leave a like, share the video if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, if you thought it was useful. And yeah, fam, so I hope to see you guys again later. And I'll see you guys again in the next video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right? So Nelly's Beauty 411, go check me out on Instagram and also on Facebook, no Twitter. So yeah, goodbye. See you guys next time.